Hello friends, this is Miss Julia, and today I'm looking at these big bumblebees. They sure like to move from one flower to the next. What do you think they're collecting? Do you think the flowers taste sweet to them? What happens as they move from one flower to the next? What do you think makes that noise, that humming noise? Maybe their wings? What are those circular pouches on their back legs? I noticed that the bumblebee almost even looks fuzzy. Like it has fur on it. How does a bumblebee so big fly on tiny wings like that? What do you notice about the wings? They're almost see-through or transparent. I wonder how many flowers a bee can visit in one day. And where does he take these? All this nectar. If he lives in the ground, I wonder where. Pretty neat. I noticed that the bees are different sizes and probably even different kinds. There's a smaller type bee right there. You can almost fit entirely inside the flower. Where the bumblebees are so big they definitely can't even fit. If you listen quietly, you can actually just hear all the buzzing. Pretty neat. Well, I'm gonna go look for other cool insects to report on. Talk to you later. Bye.